So we're going to take this plane from Anchorage, Alaska, down to Florida and then Bolivia. We're just getting fuel right now.
Hang on. Hang on, need both hands. Oh. Okay. So, tell me a story.
So here is 60981 from Anchorage, Alaska to Yakutat, and eventually it's going to Bolivia. Yakutat Lodge, FBO, food, shelter, and booze. Here we just landed, nice mountain scenery in the background. Yakutat Airport, only 2 airplanes are based here. And we're on our way to Ketchikan next, and then we head to Bellingham, taking it to Florida, long trip.
I do. What can you tell me about the weather from here to Ketchikan? Light rain right now.
Light rain right now. What's the ceiling? 6? Just arrived in Ketchikan. Got a 5-hour flight left to Bellingham. Took us 3 hours from Yakutat. This is the small ferry that takes you from the airport to the city. Really short, 2-minute ride. We're almost there.
Tell you to take a hike.
Good morning. There's the asylum. That's a real popular place. Here's the Happy Bears, the Arctic, right here. You're just on the other side.
Get her going about 60 and step on the brakes and hit the wheel. She'll go the other way.
I checked it to be sure because I haven't on the ferry schedule for a while.